This is Project 2 for CS50, Web Programming with Python and JavaScript, from Harvard University through EDX. For a typical web application, this one uses Flask. The Python code and database are on a server, and the client has code for the browser. This is a chat application, and JavaScript is used to update the browser screen while chatting without having to reload the page with each update during the chat. I'll just step through the menu pages. As you can see here, these are the two copies of the home page. And when you start up, it automatically will set you up as anonymous, which is the default username, and puts you in the open forum chat room, which again is the default. From here, we can have two anonymous users chatting with each other. As you can see, the newest chat is on the top and the oldest is on the bottom. From here, we'll go to the sign-in page. The user can sign in with his or her own username. So let's sign in here as Bob. Once he's signed in, the user is taken to the select chat room page, and from here he or she can either use an existing chat room or create a new chat room. What we're going to do now is create a couple of new chat rooms. And then we're going to pick cats as the chat room. So now Bob's in the cats chat room, and when we go to chat, you can see that Bob is in the cats chat room. So on the other screen then, we're going to sign in also. And we're also going to take Sam to the cats chat room. So here we'll chat again. So Bob is pretty talkative, Sam not so much. And then we also have, we can go back to the chat room, and Sam wants to run over to check out the dog's chat room, and coincidentally Bob's going to do the same thing. And that's pretty much a chat room. Hope you enjoyed it. Oh, one other thing, I guess Sam's gonna sign out, and you can see he's now an anonymous user, but he's still in the dog's chat room. And that's it. Thank you.